guys, today we're in our front garden and we're going to show you how to take care of plants before spring arrives on Be Inspired with Mother and Daughter channel. So let's get started. So the items you'll need is a pair of gloves and some garden cutting scissors. So we have a rose flower bush and we're cutting off the dead branches before spring so they could grow nice and healthy again. And we're just leaving them on the floor because it will rot into compost. So you see all these dead branches, we're going to just cut them off because we do not need them, and in replace they'll grow nice and healthy. So as you can see, we have some dead branches. We're just going to chop off the dead branches so we can get new ones that are healthy. We're just gathering the dead branches and dead buds and just placing them underneath our plants so they could rot and turn into compost. Now we've moved on to the lavender herbs. We're just taking off the extra dead branches at the ends so they could grow and all the lavender leaves could grow on them. We're just removing the dead ones and yet again placing it on the soil so they could rot and turn into compost. So we have a fig tree now. As you can see, some of the figs have started growing, and we're going to just cut off the dead branch because it's vital to cut off the dead branch so we can get a new branch that is nice and healthy. So this is the dead branch. So now we only had one. In replace, we're going to get a nice new healthy branch. So this is our rose bush. Has a lot of thorns on, so I accidentally says thorns. So we're just going to cut off the dead rosebuds. So we're cutting them off because we don't want them, because we're going to get nice new alive ones, which will get nice beautiful roses in the spring or summer, like last year. Just cutting them off. Now this is a healthy good rosebud, and rosebuds are actually eatable raw for health benefits. They are available at health centres, but if you have a rose bush you could eat these for your own health benefit or make them into jelly. So we're just going to cut that off and eat them for health benefits. Cut off the black dead ones and eat the ripe ones. Make sure they're ripe before eating. They're edible when ripe. So we have shown you how to cut off dead branches and why are they important. They're important so we could get rid of the dead ones and to get new good healthy ones when we get our roses on, our figs, or any plants, even our lavender herbs. And the dead branches, they could be used by making them into compost and let them go onto your soil and they'll rot automatically and you'll have good compost. So make sure you wash your rosebuds first, and we're going to show you what part to chop off and how to eat. If you're interested in eating them, chop off the ends and then you could chew the rest. They may have a little bit of a different taste at first. We don't know if you like it or not. It's just for general health benefits that you could get out of them, and you can find them in health centres, so you might as well have your own rosebuds. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it taught you something and some techniques on how to look after your plants. So please make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks, bye.